Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that'll redefine your tech game. In the urban jungle, where speed and versatility reign supreme, the InMotion RS emerges as the ultimate solution for commuters seeking unparalleled performance and convenience. But what sets the InMotion RS apart isn't just its eye-catching aesthetics, but also the exhaustive research and development that went into its creation. Through iterative design processes and real-world testing, we've engineered the InMotion RS to seamlessly transform from compact cruiser to high-performance racer, providing users with the best of both worlds. With its powerful motor and responsive handling, the InMotion RS delivers an exhilarating ride, whether you're cruising through city streets or zipping down bike paths. Experience the future of urban mobility with the InMotion RS, the ultra-high-performance transforming e-scooter. In the world of do-it-yourself projects, having the right tools can mean the difference between success and frustration. Introducing Bolts, the epitome of power and versatility in a cordless package. But what truly sets Bolts apart is not just its rugged exterior, but also the extensive research and development that went into its creation. Through relentless innovation and feedback from real users, we've engineered Bolts to deliver unparalleled performance, empowering users to tackle even the most demanding projects with ease. With its brushless motor and advanced lithium-ion battery technology, Bolts packs a punch that rivals even corded power tools. From drilling and screwing to grinding and cutting, Bolts is the ultimate companion for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. In the realm of hair care and styling, innovation is the key to unlocking endless possibilities. Introducing Glow Hair Care, the world's first cordless hot air styler, designed to revolutionize your hairstyling routine with unmatched convenience. But what truly sets Glow Hair Care apart isn't just its sleek appearance, but also the extensive research and development that went into its creation. Through rigorous experimentation and user feedback, we've engineered Glow Hair Care to offer the ultimate solution: cordless freedom combined with powerful hot air styling capabilities. With its innovative cordless design and advanced hot air technology, Glow Hair Care allows hairstylists and enthusiasts alike to achieve salon-quality results anytime, anywhere. Experience the future of hairstyling with Glow Hair Care, the first cordless hot air styler. In the age of smart technology, our homes are becoming more intelligent than ever before. And leading the charge in this revolution is MyCat, the ultimate fusion of artificial intelligence and companionship. But MyCat isn't just any robot. It's the result of years of research and development, driven by a team of experts in robotics and artificial intelligence. Through extensive testing and user feedback, we've ensured that MyCat not only looks and feels like a real cat, but also behaves in a way that fosters genuine emotional connections with its owners. With its intelligent sensors and adaptive learning capabilities, MyCat seamlessly integrates into your smart home ecosystem, providing personalized assistance and companionship. Whether it's reminding you of upcoming appointments, playing games, or simply keeping you company, MyCat is always there when you need it most. In a world where oral hygiene is paramount, the quest for innovative solutions never ends. Meet Inklen, the groundbreaking device that transforms ordinary tap water into ozone mouthwash in mere seconds. But what truly sets Inklen apart is not just its modern aesthetics, but also the extensive research and development that went into its creation. Our research indicates that ozone mouthwash has the potential to be a game-changer in oral care, thanks to its powerful antimicrobial properties. With its advanced ozone generation technology, Inklen eliminates the need for chemical additives or preservatives, providing a natural and effective oral care solution. In a world where our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology, managing our everyday devices can be a daunting task. But fear not, for Charge Disk is here to revolutionize the way you store and organize your EDC essentials. But what sets Charge Disk apart is not just its elegant design, but also the extensive research and innovation that went into its creation. Our research indicates that one of the biggest challenges users face with EDC devices is the lack of a centralized storage solution that's both convenient and secure. With its innovative magnetic docking system and customizable compartments, Charge Disk keeps your EDC devices organized and easily accessible at all times. Whether it's charging your smartphone, syncing your smartwatch, or storing your earbuds, Charge Disk streamlines your daily routine, ensuring you're always connected and ready to go. In a world where convenience reigns supreme, meet Slash, the ultimate everyday carry EDC blade cutter. Designed to tackle life's everyday challenges with ease, Slash is the epitome of efficiency in the palm of your hand. At the forefront of Slash's design is meticulous research and development, driven by a team dedicated to creating the perfect blend of form and function. Through rigorous testing and user feedback, we refined the design to ensure that Slash is not only the smallest, but also the safest EDC blade cutter on the market. With its razor-sharp blade and ergonomic design, Slash empowers users to tackle any cutting task with confidence and ease. From opening packages to everyday crafting tasks, Slash is the perfect companion for those who demand the utmost efficiency in their daily lives. In the bustling world of today, finding moments of tranquility amidst the chaos is a precious commodity. But what if your yoga practice could be seamlessly integrated into your travel adventures? Introducing YogaFi, the revolutionary AI-powered travel yoga mat designed to bring balance wherever life takes you. At the heart of YogaFi lies cutting-edge artificial intelligence, meticulously crafted by a team of researchers and yogis alike. Through advanced sensor technology, YogaFi becomes your personal yoga instructor, offering tailored guidance to enhance your practice. Our research indicates that YogaFi's AI algorithms adapt to each user's unique body mechanics, providing personalized adjustments for optimal alignment. Not only does YogaFi offer guidance during practice, but it also tracks performance metrics, allowing users to monitor their progress over time. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just beginning your journey, YogaFi meets you where you are, offering support and encouragement every step of the way. And when it's time to hit the road, YogaFi effortlessly transforms into a compact, portable companion, ready to accompany you on your adventures near and far.